It's a unique online experience. It's not just a place to earn a degree or diploma. It's a place to start a career. The caring faculty and staff at Herzing make sure you get the support you need, including graduate employment assistance. So even when you're taking classes online, you're never alone. Download a free career information.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.